First, enter the background and click on Residential Proxies. Select the proxy type as username and password extraction. Select the country and region to extract from. Then select the host address, state, city, ISP, username, and password. Copy the generated output format to the corresponding browser. Then open the browser and create a configuration file. Enter the browser name, select the proxy type, and paste the username, password, port, and password. After testing the proxy connection, click Save.